Hi kids, welcome back to Fun Learning with Kanika. Today we are going to do Olympiad Reasoning Workbook for Class 3. The chapter that we are continuing today is chapter number 6, Grouping of Figures and Figure Matrix. Right? In this we will be covering question number 1 to question number 12. There will be two parts of this grouping of figures and figure matrix, where we'll be covering in like 1 to 12 in first part and 12 to 20, 13 to 25 in second part. Right? What is grouping of figures? Grouping means dividing the objects into same groups having equal number of objects. Right? You have to divide them in equal number of objects. And there are types. There are 3 types. Type 1. In these type of questions, the student is required to analyze the given set of figures, numbers and classify them into groups. Right? The type 2. Identify the group of given figure. Like if the figure is given, you have to identify the shape by the shape, by the shaded area and others. Type 3. Finding the number of groups of 2s, 3s, 4s could be formed from the given objects. Right? Figure matrix. Now coming on to question number example 1. How many groups of 4 sandwiches each can be formed from the given sandwich? These are the sandwiches. You have to group them in with the 4 sandwiches each. This is already done. Group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups can be formed? 5 groups can be formed. Now moving on to example number 2. Which of the following figures belong to group X? Group X. This is group X given. You have to find which figure belongs to this. Here you observe, here is a pentagon, inside there is a pentagon. The shape is same. Here is triangle and inside it is also a triangle. The shapes are exactly the same of the outside and the inside. The square is also the same inside and outside. Here is a circle with a shaded region in between the both circles. And this is hexagon with shaded portion in between the shapes. Now you have to find the figure which is exactly the same. Right? So B is the right option, as the outside figure is a square and inside figure is also a square. Now moving on to our exercise question number 1. 4 groups of bats each can be formed from the given bats. You have to form the 4 groups of bats, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is group 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is group 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is group 4. How many groups are formed? 4. There are total 4 groups. Now coming on to question number 2. Which of the following figure belongs to group X? Belongs to group X. In group X, all the figures have number of sides in each inner shape is 1 less than the number of sides of outer shape. You check it. This is a pentagon with sides 5 and inside there is a square with 1 side less. All the outer figure has 1 more side than the inner figure. Right? Check it out. Here is a square, inside there is a square. 4 sides, 4 sides. This is not right. Here is a hexagon and inside is a pentagon. So this is the right option. Check other. This is a circle. Here is a triangle. The inner side doesn't have the 1 side less. Here is a pentagon, hexagon, sorry, and inside is a square. It must be a pentagon. So this is the right option. Right? How many pineapples will be left after making groups of 4 pineapples each from the given pineapples? Will be left after making groups of 4 pineapples. You have to form the 4 pineapples. Total number of pineapples. Total number of pineapples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups multiplied by 3 pineapples each equals 18. Total of 18. So number of pineapples are 80, like 4 into 4 is equal to 16 plus 2, 18. 2 are left. How many the question is asked how many pineapples will be left after making groups of 4. 2 pineapples are left after making groups of 4. The right option is A. Now moving on to question number 4. Which of the following figures can replace the question mark in given figure X? Here is a triangle, here is a triangle, this is a rectangle, hexagon, and inside is a hexagon. The shapes are same. the shapes are same. In which figure the shapes are same? C. The correct option is C. Now question number 5. Dash groups of 3 balloons each can be formed from the given balloons. Dash groups of 3 balloons each. You have to choose 3 balloons each. 1, 2, 3. One group. 1, 2, 3. Second group. 1, 2, 3. Third group. 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth group. 1, 2, 3. This is the fifth group. How many groups? 5 groups. The right option is A. Now moving on to question number 6. Which of the following figures will replace the question mark in the given figure? Right? In each row, two similar shapes are one inside the other. Two similar shapes are one inside the other. Right? It's the same side. Right? So here's a triangle, 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 hexagon, hexagon. You will choose the hexagon. Same shape is one inside the other, so the right option is C. Now coming on to question number 7. In which of the following groups does the number 27 belongs? So 21. Observe each group and check the table in which the given number belongs. You have to check the table. 6 to the 12, 6 to the 18, 6 for 24, 6 5s are 30. No, 27 doesn't belong. In which table it comes? 4 to the 8, 4 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 to 12, 4 4 16, 4 5 20, 4 6 24, 4 7 28. No, 27 doesn't come here. In 5 table 27 also doesn't come. The table of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. Yes, this belongs to this. D. The right option is D. Now moving on to question number 8. How many groups of 2 capsicums each can be found from the given capsicum? Groups of 2. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4, 5, 6. Having each 2 capsicums. We got 6 groups of 2 capsicum each can be formed. Now coming on to question number 9. Which of the following figures will replace the question mark in the given figure matrix? In each row from left to right, the number of shapes is increasing by 1. Observe it, this is increased by 1, then it's again increased by 1. Circle is increased by 1 every time. Triangle, there is 1 triangle, 2 triangle, and here will be 3 triangles. The right option is D. There are 3 triangles. Now moving on to question number 10. Which of the following cannot belong to group X? Doesn't belong to group X. Check the question. Check whether the number in the group are odd or even. Are these odd or even? These are even number. 22 is even number, 18 is even, 34 is even, 72 is even, 46 is even, 12 is even. Find as it doesn't belong to X. This is even, 31 is odd. So it doesn't belong to group X. 44 is even. Now moving on to question number 11. In which of the following group does the number 36 cannot be belong? Which doesn't belong to which group? Right? The table of 6, 6 to the 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Yes, it belongs. 7, 28, 35, 42. Right? Now next will be, what will be the next? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 12. Just wait a minute. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, right? So on, 30, 33 and 36. It belongs. Yes, it belongs. 36 belongs to 3 table. Now 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 36. Here it also belongs. The which doesn't belong have the number 36. B doesn't have the number 36. Now moving on to question number 12. Which of the following belongs to group X? This 7, 77, 63, 35, 40 and 21. Right? Find the common relation between the numbers and each group and check which number belongs to this. All the numbers that belong to group X are multiples of 7. These are the multiples of 7. 28 is the multiple of 7, 40 is not the multiple of 7, 15 is not, 8 is not, so the correct option is A. So in this video we have covered question number 1 to 12. In the next video we will be covering question number 13 to 25. I hope you like the video and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Fun Learning with Kanika for more videos. Thank you.